Hey Henna Guys Fam, today we've got a quick video for you showing you how to do a patch test. This is good for you to perform prior to the application of henna. The patch test is ideal to see if you have any sort of allergic reaction to the ingredients. First you will need a small bit of henna mixed up, only about a tablespoon, then mix up to a smooth texture, then let it complete the full dye release process. Using the crook of your elbow or behind your ear, place a small amount of henna, about the size of a $50. Let it sit for about an hour. After an hour, rinse the henna off your skin. The skin will be stained, but there should not be any redness. If there is any redness or itchy spots, don't follow up with a full application of henna. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and follow us on social media.